Hello, carpet cleaning world and YouTube. Listen, in 2020, we're going to add something to the carpet cleaning world and my YouTube channel that has not been heard of or just is not in the industry. Now, we know you can go get all the IICRC training that you need to be able to run, clean a carpet and many other textiles. When you go get trained, you learned about fiber identification, you learn about different stains, you learn the most important thing, in my opinion, the two types of stains, oil-based and water-based. But I'm going to leave that to the IICRC, which has been doing such a great job of training the average cleaner for so long. And yes, if you stay in this long enough, you'll ponder along and get known and hopefully make some mediocre money or decent money. But you have to learn the fundamentals of running a business, especially a cleaning business such as carpet cleaning. So what we're going to add in 2020 to the carpet cleaning world at least twice a month and my YouTube channel is the Carpet Cleaning World University. And this course, the first course that's going to launch it all off, is add-on sales. This is very important, ladies and gentlemen. Add-on sales. You have to understand that if the business that you're in, you have to be able to talk and feel comfortable with your clients. You have to. It's going to be the thing that's going to separate you from all your competition, and it's going to help you in the long run learn how to sell yourself. So, without further ado, we're going to move right on along to the Carpet Cleaning World University's first course, and it's add-on sales. Maybe you'll join me for these 15 or 20 minutes that can hopefully make a difference in your business as you start your endeavors. My YouTube followers, this is something you definitely need to spend a little bit of time with and complete watching this course. All right, let's move right on along. As you can see, it says very largely add-on sales. Sometimes it's as easy as just asking. And that's very true. Now, let's see what we're talking about here. Do you want fries with that? Who hasn't heard that before? Think about how many fries that simple question has sold for fast food spots. Think about increased revenue that simple question has been responsible for. My guess is that additional sales of fries occurs each year at one restaurant for asking that one question would pay for a fully loaded Transit or ProMaster. Now, who doesn't want to clean carpets out of a Transit or a ProMaster? Do you understand the point that I'm getting at? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say to you? That your add-on sales are very important. Now, you all know that I sell marketing to our industry. And a lot of guys are on the line or on the fence of purchasing my marketing package that so many have purchased and are doing very well with because they just feel as though, oh, that's silly. That's silly. Well, let's go to the next one. Let's talk about this being silly. We just said, do you want some fries with that? That simple question people have got so comfortable with in the restaurant industry, especially fast food chains, that it just rolls off your tongue. Or you just pick a package. But we'll get into that. All right. So if you owned a restaurant, would you ask your customer if they want fries or dessert? Would you be looking for ways to increase your profit by adding dessert to every meal? I would. Think about it. The customer is already in my restaurant. What better time to create additional revenue? They're right there. I mean, come on, ladies and gentlemen. You want to think about this. If someone is right there, now instead of someone being in your restaurant, if you're in their home, they're still right there. Too many carpet cleaners don't or won't do add-on sales of any kind. Worse is they don't even ask. Why? Too many reasons. But at the core of whatever excuse you've been using, there lies a fear. I've heard them all, ladies and gentlemen. I don't want to come off like I'm upselling anything, or I don't want to seem pushy. All of this is out of fear, ladies and gentlemen. The fear of rejection, the fear of failure. Fear holds us back from a lot in life. We shouldn't let it hold us back from increased profits and a better way of life. Let's not have a fear of success. I want you to think about that. Let's not have a fear of our success. Dealing with fear when it comes to sales is never personal when a customer says no, unless the real reason is you were dressed unprofessionally, poorly groomed, poor hygiene, and just plain offensive. Now we know that doesn't apply to any of us. So why do customers say no when we ask them to buy enhancements? Many reasons. Maybe the item wasn't explained properly, or the benefits weren't made clear, hence the word EduClean. Money could be an issue and they just can't afford it, or they could have been asked to make such a decision at the wrong time. They haven't been properly prepped to say yes. And see, that leads us to why you don't want to answer your phones yourself. You definitely want to have an answering service, or better yet, someone that's trained to handle customers for the cleaning industry. So you want to think about that. Let's move right on along here. Lose the fear of hearing no from your customers. Understand from the beginning that any sales is a numbers game. The more people you ask to buy your product or add-on service, the more sales you will create. It's that simple. No matter how good you are, you probably still will hear no more than you will hear yes. Even if you're selling a well-known item with a great reputation, you still hear no. The real trick is to ask for the sale in the start. Like, you want to make sure that's already programmed in your mind to ask for the sale. And my packages that I offer the carpet cleaning industry, it gives them 3 reasons to choose you, and you. Maybe they don't want carpet protector. Maybe they don't have a pet. Maybe they don't want furniture moved. So you give them 3 different options to say yes, yes, and yes, because you do it all for all types of budgets, situations, and carpets. Pushy, aggressive salesman versus concerned customer representative. Now, let me read that to you again. Pushy, aggressive salesman versus concerned customer representative. The difference is a matter of rapport, a matter of timing and delivery. When you build rapport, you increase your chances of them saying yes. Hence the word, once again, educleaning them. Timing is something that gets better the more you do it. The first time around, you might be rough around the edges, but repetition will improve your timing and delivery. You'll get a feel of what and how to ask your customers to buy the enhancements. Once you get past the fear of no, you will begin to enjoy the rewards that asking for the sale can bring. You got to listen to this. I hope you're hearing me right now. This is a very important course that we're going over right now. Use role playing as a primary tool. One person plays the customer, the other is the salesman. It helps to build sales skills by thinking quick on your feet and overcome objections. Get a partner to help you with role play. Have them give you some resistance and ask questions. It will sharpen you and help you become better. After enough practice, you will become increasingly comfortable with the process. Just like, would you like some fries with this? But as part of this role playing, when we have our conference on January 16th and 17th, that's the next one coming up in 2020, we're going to be doing role playing. This is what the conference is for, to help you understand what you should be doing for increased profits. That's what this course right here is all about. Add-on sale, how to increase your bottom line. All right, and here we go right here. What are enhancements or add-ons? There is a difference. For the average carpet cleaner, it can be extra services like upholstery, mattress cleaning, air duct cleaning, area rug, tile, and grout and hardwood floor cleaning. Some are adding gutter cleaning and auto upholstery too. And remember, enhancements are things like pre-treatments, fabric protector, carpet protector, deodorizer, brighteners, and spotters. Let's see what we can do to improve your chances of getting the sales. One thing for sure is when you purchase my marketing residential marketing package, all of this is included in the packages, so it makes it so easy. Just like when you go to McDonald's, you can get a burger, a fry, and a drink. Or a Big Mac, a burger, and fry. That's the number one. You can get 2 cheeseburgers, a fries, and a drink. That's the number 2. And the number 3, and it goes on and on and on. They packaged it all together to simplify it. Why do we as carpet cleaners not want to simplify it and practice making increased profits? I'll tell you again, it's the word fear. Your customers need to know you have the solutions to a wide variety of their cleaning needs. Consistently make sure all services and enhancements are listed in print or websites, vehicles, social media, invoices, receipts, brochures, and any forms that you have in your company that I haven't mentioned. Because this is very important, ladies and gentlemen. You want them to know that you can take care of everything that they need. Do not be afraid of hearing no. Do not be afraid of it. You can't be. You have to role play and role play with someone close to you. Let them be the customer, and you be the savvy concerned customer representative. Remember, I used the word, I coined it, or I should have rather, EduClean. But when you hear that word, you think of me because I'm the only one that's been saying that for the last 3 years. If you EduClean your customer, you will sell enhancements or add-ons. But you also want to make it easy for them to understand and hear from you. So you want to package it up. It's not easy to put all the words together. I know you guys just want to get in there. You want to put your IICRC training to work. But that's why we have this Carpet Cleaning World University, because this is the part that you don't want to do. This is the part you don't want to think about, but it's needed. It's needed for you to graduate in the carpet cleaning industry. You have to understand the business aspect. And if you don't understand this one right here, how important it is to have add-on service sales, like I said, it's normally because of fear. The fear of hearing no, rejection. You have to overcome that, ladies and gentlemen. And that's not just in the carpet cleaning business. That's in any business that you would want to move forward with in your life. But anyway, we're not going to hold you up. This is the new Carpet Cleaning World University. And this is the course, Add-on Sales. I hope you understood it. It's on here on the Carpet Cleaning World, and it'll be on my YouTube page. You guys need to watch these courses. They're free. Now, if I charged you for it, I would be scrutinized to the end of time. So I'm giving them to you free. And these are the things that we will go over, and also a segment that we will do and role playing if you come to the conference. That's the Carpet Cleaning World Conference on January 16th and 17th at the Green Valley, Las Vegas, 3.5 miles from the Strip, the famous Las Vegas Strip. And we're going to cram. So we're going to start off the year right, ladies and gentlemen. You can go into the springtime like you never did before. And if you're brand new, boy, oh boy, what a treat for you. What a treat for you. So this is the one thing of the many things the conference is going to offer. But this is what I'm bringing to the conference. This is what I have to offer. Of course, we're going to have Soap Daddy there. We're going to have Rotovac and all the things and toys that you care about. But see, you're also going to have this there and me there, the things that you don't want to care about, but are so necessary. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time. I hope you appreciated this. We will have another Carpet Cleaning World University course in the middle of January. So thank you, Facebook, Carpet Cleaning World, and YouTube. I hope this has been helpful, and feel free to call my office at 484-420-7220 when you're ready to advance your marketing and buy my residential or commercial marketing packages. They're both at a value of a cost of $350. So that's how much they would cost, and they will be emailed to you. Well, the residential marketing package will be emailed to you right away, so you can start editing in Microsoft Publisher, and you can start using that within the same day. The commercial marketing marketing package will take about 2 or 3 days, because that is done by our in-house office with all your content, with all your information and logos and things like that. So either way, you'll be ready with the right marketing for your business for 2020. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you in the next one.